It is my project Time Study by Arduino. Basically, I have developed an automated system to monitor and record machine running and idle times. This system ensures accurate tracking of the duration of each state, whether idle or running, for further analysis. This system consists of an Arduino, RTC module, current sensor, battery, and a bulb. Now I am streaming live data from Arduino to Excel. Since I have not supplied power to the bulb, the system only provides idle time data. Once power is supplied, the system starts counting running time. By clicking here, the data recording stops and is saved into CSV file.